last lesson, which is how engineers build bridges, right? So now, what does an engineer do? So which one? Oh, the correct answer is B. Engineers design and solve problems. And the next one. What helps spread weight evenly on a bridge? Okay, that's good. The balance. That's good, everyone. Okay, so I think we're done with clickers for today. And moving on to the first question. Looking at the picture, what do you think is happening? What is happening in the photo? This is smoke. We see things in the water. What do you think is happening? We see dirt. We see trash in the water. As you can see in the picture, we can see this kid who covered his face with a face mask because of, the smoke. So what do you think is happening? Looking at the picture, who can tell me what you think is happening? Who wants to try? Alice, can you tell us what is happening?
In the first picture, there are many black smoke in the sky. In the second picture, the river turns dirty and there are lots of plastic bottles on the river.
Good.
And in the last picture,
Yes. It's the same thing, right? And who are just looking at how to solve the solution? They are engineers or scientists, right? They're looking at the problem and trying to see how they can solve to find a solution so that the city can be smoke-free, right? So that people can breathe well. So how do you call this kind of when smoke is everywhere in the city? How do you call this? It's a kind of pollution. It's called the air pollution. Everyone say air pollution.
air pollution.
Oh, and now, whoa, look at this. We're looking at a river with a lot of dirt in it. It's called water pollution. Very good. That's very good, Alice. So we're talking about water and air pollution. So this takes us to the first vocabulary of the day, which is air pollution. We have water pollution. Okay, so air pollution and water pollution. Leo, can you copy? Now here we go. Now, if we're talking about air pollution, water pollution, what is air pollution? Who can try to tell me what does air pollution does? When there is air pollution, what happens? Yes?
Air pollution makes the city very hot. Makes the city air
Very dirty. Very good. It makes the air dirty such that we cannot breathe. It affects our lungs and we can get sick, right?
Yeah.
That's what air pollution does. Very good. And now when there is water pollution, as you can see, what do you think happens? Yes?
we cannot drink clean water, and the river will be very dirty.
Very good. We cannot drink water, and because the river is very dirty. And also, we cannot use water for other things, right? To wash our clothes, to take a shower, right? And also, animals and plants need water, and without clean water, can we survive? No. It's unsafe to drink dirty water. Boys are going. Okay, now here we go. We just explained what happens when we get sick, right? We just explained that. And what happens when the air is not clean? We just explained that, right? Good. So we're just going to move forward. And also, why do animals and plants need water? To drink, right? As you can see in the photo, everyone needs clean water because we cannot live without clean water, and we cannot also stay alive without breathing clean air, right? So there's another kind of pollution called land pollution. Who can try to tell me what is land pollution? Are we living in water? No, we're living on land. So what is land pollution? Yes?
To cut a lot of trees, and the grass will not have and will be mainly sand on the ground.
Okay, that was close. That was close. But we talk about when you hear of land pollution, is when you go and buy your cookie, right? And maybe a juice, and you eat and drink and just throw it on the ground, right? Just throw it on the ground, and you walk on the streets, you see a lot of dirt, a lot of trash on the streets. That is land pollution, right? Do we need to live, is it healthy to live in a dirty environment? No, so it's called land pollution. That's why we have trash cans, right? So we can pour our trash in the trash can, right? So to avoid land pollution, we need to put all our trash in the trash can and not on the streets or around the school, right? Okay. Which one is a water filter and which one is an air filter?
I think B is the air filter.
And A is?
It is water filter.
Very good. This is an air filter. I think most of us have this. Some of us have this at home, right? To filter air. We don't. We call them air purifiers, right? And the second one, there are different kinds of water filters to filter water. And today we are going to carry out an experiment. Yes, and this experiment is called the water filter experiment, which is going to help us to filter water. So such that if we find ourselves in any place, we can be able to filter our water and drink, right? But this is an experiment, okay? So there are many steps that we're going to carry out in this experiment. So look at the picture. This is a homemade water filter, which is what we're going to do today. So fun, as you can see. Takes us straight to the first idiom. The idiom of the day is, everyone? Practice makes perfect. Everyone, let's go.
Practice makes perfect.
Very good. That's the first idiom of the day. Idiom. Let's go. Let's copy. Leo, are you copying? I don't see you writing. Okay. Now, who can tell me the meaning of this idiom? Practice makes perfect. I think we know this, right? It's easy. Practice makes perfect. Angel, can you tell us? What is the meaning of practice makes perfect?
When you do something too often, and the things you do that will be very good.
Okay. Yeah, towards the end. Okay, very good. It means the more you practice something, the better you get at doing that thing, right? The better you get at doing it. Which means if you practice something many times, you become so good at doing it, right? And who can give me an example? An example of practice makes perfect. The first example here is students practice building a water filter and it works better, which is what we are going to do today. Now, who is going to tell me, who is going to make the second example? Who is going to give me another example? Because I think we know this. Can you tell us? No. You can tell us. Give us an example of practice makes perfect. Yes. It says if you do something so many times, you become good at it. So what example can you give? This is the example I gave here. Now tell me another example. Yes? Selena, do you want to help? By giving an example.
If you make a mistake, you should try again, and then maybe you can do it better.
That's very good. Sit it down. Very good. Okay, sit down. And now, the vocabulary words for today are, it's in the book. Copy the water filter and the air filter. We done? We already did air pollution and water pollution now. We'll just write on the water filter and air filter. Okay. We done? Okay. So now, this is a reading comprehension. I'm going to call on, is it Jackson? Can you read to us? Loud, and everyone listen and just follow and read.
Water filter and air filter handle when harmful waste enters the environment, making it unsafe for living things. Engineers or scientists use water filters and air filters to help solve these problems. Dirty water is dangerous because people need clean water to drink and clean up.
Very good. Water pollution and air pollution happens when? Everyone? Okay, and scientists and engineers use water filters and air filters to help solve these problems because dirty water is dangerous, right? It's dangerous. People need clean water to drink and stay healthy. Okay, as the next one, read to us.
In this experiment, students act as engineers or scientists and design a water filter to help clean
Polluted.
pollutant water.
Using.
Using plastic bottle to put in car or coffee
Filter. Dirty water. A clear
cup and
spoon.
students use
Simple.
simple filter.
Okay, very good. Can you read to us? The next one from here. Okay. Results. Follow. Okay, that's very good. That's it. In this experiment, this is the experiment we're going to carry out today, okay? So in this experiment, students will act as scientists or engineer and design a water filter, okay, to help clean polluted water. And with this experiment, the requirements are a plastic bottle cut in half, which the teacher has already done it for you, okay? And a cotton ball or a coffee filter, sand, small rocks, dirty water, a clear cup, and a spoon. And students will build a simple water filter. They will place cotton at the bottom, add sand, rock, then slowly pour dirty water into the filter. But I have an additional material here, which is the charcoal. I added charcoal to this experiment, okay? So we're going to see it. And students observe results and follow safety rules. There are safety rules to this, okay? And we are going to try to make our own experiment. And here, I'm just going to quickly show you what we are going to be doing today. Here is it. This is a cut plastic container, right? And I got the hole at the bottom, and already put cotton in it, so you don't need to do anything. You just need to do the rest of it, okay? And we have all the other materials here. We have charcoal, we have dirty water. Ooh. So we're going to filter this dirty water to become clean so that we can drink, okay? And we have some rocks. Ooh, we have the rocks here. Different kinds of rocks. As you can see, okay? So this is what we're going to do today. And we have sand. Okay, so we're going to divide the class into 3 groups. 4 because there are 3. One there, one here, and one there. Okay? So, okay. Now here we go. We're going to go straight to the main idea. The main idea. Who can tell me the main idea? Very fast of this experiment. It's very easy. Here, you want to tell us the main idea of what we read. Give her a clap. It's so good. I was so happy with your words. Everyone give her a clap. Very good. Okay, that is the main idea, which is basically exactly what I wrote on what the main idea is all about. Students are going to learn how these materials can help to clean dirty water because it pollutes. The water makes everywhere dirty. That's a very good deal. Very, very good. Are we done? No. Oh, that's very good. Yes, so fast. Let's do fast and go straight to the experiment. It's the fun part here. Okay, now here we go. And what happens when wastewater makes, what happens when waste makes water unsafe? Very good. Water pollution. Not the filter, but the water pollution. It makes it unsafe. Is it pollution? Oh, sorry. That's very good. Okay, and the next one?
Air pollution.
Very good. Air pollution. And the third one? Each person say air filter. Okay, can we read all of the answers? Engineers?
Dirty
air. Very good. And the next one?
Clean water helps people stay healthy.
Very good. And the last one? To filter water. It's the same, right? Very good. That was a good one. And now, this is an experiment. This is it.
Water filter experiment.
Okay. Okay, before we go to the experiment, there are safety rules, okay? And the safety rules here are, do not drink the water. You have to listen, it's very important, okay? Do not drink the water and do not touch your face. While we carry out this experiment, don't touch your face. And wash your hands after the experiment. We have to wash our hands after, okay? And we have to follow the teacher's instructions. Remember that. Follow my instructions. And we have to pour slowly to avoid spill. While we pour the water, we have to do everything slowly. These are the safety rules for this experiment. And now, these are the requirements, as you can see on the board. You need, as I explained, the plastic bottle, the sand, a small rock, a cotton ball, dirty water, a clear cup, a spoon, and there is not one here which is a charcoal. We're going to use a charcoal. Okay, we're going to add it to the experiment. And now we're going to watch this video for a 1-minute video. This is how it's going to be.
Gravel, which handles larger stuff, and layers of different sized sand, which traps medium-sized particles like dirt and grit. And finally, activated charcoal is the superstar ingredient, which absorbs different chemicals as well as bad tastes and odors. Here's what you'll need to get started. A plastic bottle, knife, gravel of different sizes, sand, both fine and coarse if possible, cotton, bandana, sock, or similar, and activated charcoal. The first step is to cut off the bottom third or so of the bottle. Flip the top of the bottle upside down and place it in the bottom for stability. Now we'll add all the filter materials starting at the bottom. First, we need to add a material that'll hold everything else above it. If you have cotton balls, they work perfect. and break the charcoal into small pieces using a hammer or a rock. We want these as small as we can get them, ideally pea-sized or smaller. Then add the charcoal on top of your first layer. Next, add a layer of sand. The finer, smaller grains, the better. Then add a layer of coarse sand on top of the fine sand if you can find it. Finally, pour in the gravel, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Just like with the sand, if you can get a couple layers of different sized gravel, all the better. Now that your filter is ready, grab a clean cup or just use the bottom of the bottle that you already cut off to catch the filtered water. Carefully pour your dirty water into the top of the filter and watch it work its magic.
Okay, now everyone, close your books. Close your books. Yes, keep your books under the desk. This is the exciting part. Okay, so now I'm going to call on one student from each color, okay? From this one, and this one. They're going to be the team leaders. Angel, set up. Owen, set up. And what's your name?
Shalina.
Alice. These are the team leaders, okay? They are going to help, they're going to be the ones to distribute everything. So now, okay, so this is what we're going to do. Now everyone stand up. Let's go. Stand up. We're going to choose one table, which is this one. Can you keep everything? One table for this experiment, which is this table, okay? So the instruction here is tell everyone to be in a circle here and pull everything aside, okay? That's the instruction. Tell everyone we're going to use your table, okay? Now we tell everyone all the two tables, okay? Tell everyone to form a circle around the table. Okay, these are the team leader. This is the team leader, okay? Well, this one is for you. Okay.
Look at group 1, they did so good. Follow them.
Are we doing it slowly? Okay. Slowly, no noise, okay? See, Team A is already doing it. That's very good. Team A. Okay, now all the team leaders come to me. Team leaders, come and get in my team. Okay, place on the table. And we have some chips. Yeah, we have some food. Here we go. Okay, now here we go. Okay, so I'm going to pass around as you can see on the board. Once you're done, you send it to the next team, okay? So this is the first one. We're going to use the scoop, okay? The first one we need to use is a sand. So, okay? Put it in and we scoop together. Good. Put some food here. Okay, that's good. We're going to send it to the next team. Right? Send it to the next team, okay? Yes, wait, after that, wait. After putting this, you put this layer on top of it before you put the next one. Just put it on top. Just put it, then you put it. Are we done? And put it on top. Are we done?
等一下，先看下一层。哎，石头送我。多弄点，第一层再多弄点。99人，拉多拉点小的。来点大的。
We're going to see the team who does it better.
走一遍流程吧。把水吹了一点点。
停下。
What's happening?
动，
Oh, they want to refilter. That's very smart.
现在嘛，多倒几遍，多过滤几遍，放这里面底下，然后倒。哎，那个，哎，这边轻的，这边轻的。
倒灌。
我去，天了！
透水炼金水。
清水，红黄的，全弄完。
再过一点。
Okay. Now, show me your experiment. How are the team leaders? Now show us your experiment. Let's see what happens. Team A. Team A, can you show us? Team B, where's Team B? Stand up with your experiment. Angel. Where's Angel? Show us your experiment. Okay, Team A, let's see for Team A. Oh. It filtered the water, but it needs more filter, right? Okay, and for Team B, oh, it's a lot cleaner for Team B, as you can see, very good. So it needs more filter to get it really clean, okay? So that's for Team B. And Team C is way better.